Oh my god, you guys, I've just checked into the St Regis Saadiyat Island in Abu Dhabi. Holy shit. I literally walked into this room and my jaw dropped. I was like, no way, it's insane. Okay, I don't really know where to start. Okay, so here is the door. And then, so this is the humongous entryway. Also, this is a premium sea view room. So this is the entrance. And then straight ahead here, you've got a nice view of one of the pool areas. And then here is the room. So here is the kind of closet space. Got really, really big wardrobes, absolutely huge wardrobes. And then, yeah, lovely, lovely soft bathrobe and slippers. And then lots of drawers here as well. Loads and loads of drawers, all sorts of things, all of your luggage. And then here we've got the table. My luggage just arrived. So yeah, if I switch you around again, so here we've got just a little desk and chair, all kind of the information that you could need, a little writing pad, the phone, nice big bed, and a little chaise longue over there. Nice big TV with some more storage. I haven't looked in here yet, but I'm guessing it's a mini bar. There we go, mini bar, tea and coffee making facilities. And then, oh my goodness, I can't wait to show you this. This is the bathroom. So here we have this beautiful, beautiful sink area. Toilet is through here. I absolutely cannot wait to have a bath. And hang on a minute, before I get to the bath. Right, sink area. Balmain soap, which is very bougie. And then this shower I am in love with. Look at this floor. I'm obsessed with this floor. It is humongous. I can have like my own little dance party in there. And then if I come through here, there's another sink area, so it's like a proper his and her sink situation. And then this bath, oh my god, wait until you see the view. Check out the view from the bath. That is the ocean right there. Right there. So we come back into the bedroom and there is this huge terrace, which I will take you out onto. We've got table and chairs here, and then this incredible seafront view, which is just stunning, absolutely stunning. And then yeah, you can see the hotel over this side, one of the pool areas here. So they've got a few different pools, so one's down here and then they've got some over there. But yeah, this is the hotel and it's just really, really beautiful. I think this is actually my favourite hotel that I've stayed in Abu Dhabi so far. So just to give you a recap, I've previously stayed at the Ritz-Carlton, Abu Dhabi, the Park Hyatt, Abu Dhabi, and now St Regis. I have a cold at the moment, so excuse the throat and bunged upness. It's not COVID. I did a PCR and it was negative. And then I also did a whole load of lateral flows and they were also negative. So just a good old fashioned cold. But yes, so out of the three, I think the St Regis is definitely my favourite. Like it's just the perfect blend of kind of modern, I guess, like interiors, combined with a bit of kind of oldie traditional interiors. The Park Hyatt was very contemporary, which I really liked. The Ritz-Carlton was kind of the opposite. That was a bit more kind of glam, which was nice, but the location of the Ritz-Carlton isn't great. It's right opposite the mosque, but it's really far from everything else. But the St Regis is like my dream. It is my perfect hotel. So I'm very happy here. I cannot wait to stay and explore the hotel. I'm actually about to go shopping, which is why I've got my jacket on still, because my dress does not have sleeves and you need to wear sleeves and cover your shoulders when you're out and about in Abu Dhabi in like the shopping malls and things. So yes, I'm gonna go shopping now in the air conditioning because it's 35 degrees outside, and then this afternoon I'm gonna come back and I'm literally just gonna chill by the pool, go to the beach and make the most of this hotel because it is insane. Okay, anyway, thanks for watching. I hope this has helped. Please book a stay here. It's 100% worth the price. Thank you for watching. Bye.